everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome to my channel. So I hope everyone is doing well. First of all, I wanted to ask you, those of you who pray, could you please pray for my hubby? He's going through something right now, and no, it's not that. So I would appreciate that a lot. So I just wanted to show you some Happy Mail and a few things that I've been working on. Let's do the Happy Mail. All right, so I got this beautiful card from Charlene Crochet Corner. Thank you so much, Charlene. Isn't that cute? I love it. The cards are coming in slowly from the United States. Shipping is just crazy. Happy holidays, it says. Thank you so much, Charlene. Inside, she wrote, Darla, I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and a prosperous, yarny 2022. Hugs, Charlene Crochet Corner. So Charlene has a channel, and I will, of course, link it below. And the other ones who sent me cards that have channels, I will link those below as well. And this is the next one. And this is... It says peace. Lots of beautiful Christmas trees on there. And this was sent to me by Karen, a yarn addict with Karen. And hi, Karen. And she said, I wanted to wish you and yours a very Merry Christmas, wishing you the very best coming year. I hope 2022 is the best year ever. I love you, Karen. So thank you so much. And this is Karen's, let's see, it says a yarn addict with Karen. This is her sticker. Isn't that adorable? I hope you can see that okay. It's like, what do they call that? Oh, all those different colors. It's so pretty. Thank you so much. Okay, the next one is this one, and it's from Judy, Crochet Every Day with Judy. Hi, Judy. And she has a picture. If I remember correctly, her husband's a photographer. So this is the picture. That is very cool. So Judy wrote inside, Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace, goodwill toward men. And that's Luke 2:14. And she wrote, wishing you a joyous Christmas and a happy new year. Love and hugs, Judy. And then she has, okay, there's the information. If you'd like to check it out. Thank you so much, Judy. And then this one is from Tammy at Twisted Stitches. Hi, Tammy. Look at this. It's a cow. And the cow is checking the mail. Oh, dear. All right, so Tammy writes, I'm so grateful for our friendship. Wishing the best always, Tammy. Hi, Tammy, by the way. And it says inside, holy cow, it's that time of year again. Merry Christmas. She wrote, Darla, the happiest, brightest, healthiest, most awesome sauce new year yet. Love you, Tammy. So, thank you so much, Tammy. So I will link everyone's channel below, like I said. And something else I want to talk about are, I'm on a hat and scarf kick right now. I put up a tutorial for this one the other day. It's a really long scarf. You don't have to make it as long as I did. I'll link the tutorial up here somewhere. Stamper Wendy sent me some yarn, and this is my design for this scarf, but I made it more narrow. I give you the multiples in the video so that you can make it a narrow or wide or whatever you like. So I made a scarf with the yarn. She sent me just what was it, 2 balls or 3? Now I can't remember. But I had enough to make a scarf, so that's really awesome. And it's called Micro Cable 50 grams. There's not a lot of information. 100% acrylic, I believe. And I use a 5mm hook. But this is the yarn. I'm not sure where you got this, Wendy. Where did you get it? It's really nice to work with. I really like it. And what else? Do we have a colorway? Color 006. Yeah, so this is the label. I've never heard of it. Yeah. So this is what I had left. That's it. So, and the color is so beautiful. I don't even know how to describe it. It's kind of like a rusty or burnt orange, maybe? I don't even know. I don't know, but it really is a beautiful, beautiful color. All right, so so I had bought some yarn a while back from Petra's Happy Place. Hi, Petra. And she was selling some mystery yarn. This was quite a while ago. So I love this yarn was in there. And this yarn is gorgeous to work with. This one is it's 100% something. Sorry, 100% acrylic. This one is it's a medium 4, 199 grams, 355 yards. This colorway is terracotta. And so I love this yarn. Again, so I had one of these and made a hat. Again, this is my design. There's a tutorial. And I made a scarf with it. So I'm not even sure how long the scarf is. I didn't measure this one, but let me just see. Can I step back? I did not block it. If I blocked it, it would be longer, but it's a nice length. So if you have one of these skeins, you could make a hat and a scarf out of it. I think that's an incredibly beautiful color. Terracotta. Yeah. So then I had a couple of skeins, I think three and a bit or 3.5 or something of this Kirchner's Pastry Puff yarn sitting behind me. You may not have seen it because I may have blocked it with myself. I don't know. But then I started thinking, why don't I just use this up, right? So it is Kirchner's Pastry Puff yarn. This is 70 acrylic, 30 wool, and it's a medium 4. I don't think they have the color on here. There's 139 grams, 228 yards in each one. And I don't know what the colorway is, but it's, you know, purples and things. It really is beautiful. So what I've done is I have made, yes, more of my design. Oops, I dropped something. I have to sew my ends in yet, but I made 2 hats with it, and I'm working on 2 scarves simultaneously because I don't want to, I want them to be roughly the same length. This is one of them that I'm working on. And then I started on another one this morning. So it's all that same design. I'm actually trying to use up some of my yarn I've had sitting around for a bit. The yarn I used for that, yes, it's purple, color, shades of purples as well. And that's the Craft Smart Ombre that I got at Michael's. And I talk about it in the tutorial video, but it's 120 gram, 214 yards. This is also a medium 4. Colorway is purple ombre. It's very pretty. This is the third skein. I just got into it because I was actually trying to color control, and I did talk about that in that tutorial too, if you want to check it out. So this other pastry puff sort of has similar shades in the Craft Smart one. So am I getting sick and tired of purple yet? No, I'm not. And on the, oh, sorry, excuse me a minute. Oh, I'm back. Okay, I love this yarn. Was the set I made here. I had this much left from one skein, so that is really good, I think. Is there anything else I wanted to share? I don't think so. I hope this wasn't too mumbo jumbo. Like I said, there's been something going on and with hubby, so no worries, no worries. The Lord is good, and everything's going to be fine. All right. So I thank you for watching. I know I haven't been able to put up a video this week until now, so hope you enjoyed this video. And oh, I also want to mention that Rose Likes Crochet. Hi, Rose. She has a wish list up for Wings, the domestic violence organization that she likes to support and donate to, and a lot of you wonderful yarny people make things that are mentioned on the wish list, and you send them to Rose for Wings, and that's really amazing. Of course, you can do it for your local organizations as well. I actually have a lot of stuff that I want to donate to a local organization here. It's a women's resource center. I did it before. I donated a bunch of crochet items I had made. But for September, the month of September, Rose is accepting hat and scarf sets or hat and cowls sets, not just hats by themselves or scarves by themselves. They're looking for sets. And so I do have a couple of tutorials like this one here for hat and scarf sets. So go ahead if you want to use that tutorial to make items for Wings, and please don't send them to Rose before September. She really wouldn't be able to store everything until the months they need the items. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing, making these scarves and hat sets to send out there, and donate some also to the local center here where I'm from. So I'm gonna link Rose's video where she's talking about their wish list below. And yeah, so I guess that's it for now. Just on a hat and scarf kick, maybe because it's January and it's cold here in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Actually, today's not going to be too bad. Still below freezing, but it's not going to be too bad. So anyway, you guys take care, and I thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing. Yeah, I just appreciate you guys so very much. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.